Today we are going to discuss about common mode rejection ratio, which is commonly called as CMRR. Now, what is this CMRR? If I have to define it, it is simply defined as the ratio of differential voltage gain to the common voltage gain. So I will write here two types of gain now. One is differential voltage gain, differential voltage gain, and second one I will write here as common mode voltage gain. Now, what is the difference between these two types of gains? If I talk about a practical circuit, we will find these two gains. But if I talk an ideal circuit, I will say in the ideal circuit, the differential voltage gain will be there. And we have seen that this gain is almost equal to infinity. But if I talk about this common mode voltage gain, we will say voltage gain, we will say that this value is equal to 0. Now, if I look at the names, differential means, if I see this, differential means nothing but the difference. So it means we are talking here about a gain which is going to amplify, or which is going to be the gain of my difference of the two voltages. And what are the differences? It is nothing but, if I talk about this operational amplifier, we have two input terminals. We all know that now. It is the inverting and non-inverting. So whatever the difference is there, we will define it as VID. For example, this is V1 and this is V2. So this VID will be equal to V1 minus V2. So this difference will be amplified, and in the case of ideal, its value is equal to infinity. Whereas in the case of your practical, or in the case of 741i op amp, we will find it around 10 is to power 6. So this is the one gain. We will normally denote it as AID. That is the gain. So I can say that in the case of my ideal op amp, my output voltage will be equal to the gain AID into the difference of the two voltages, that is simply VID. This is my output voltage in the case of ideal op amp. But in the practical op amps, there is one more term getting added over here. So I will write here that term. So my output will be now defined as, it is AID into VID plus, what is the second gain I am finding here? That is the common mode voltage gain. What is this common mode voltage gain? I will denote it as ACM. It means whatever the signals that are been applied here, which are common to both the terminals, for both inverting and both for the non-inverting terminal, they will be amplified with the gain. So that gain will be here the ACM, and the common mode voltage I will write here as VCM. So now the exact gain in the case of practical op amp, it is equal to AID into VID plus ACM into VCM, where AID is my differential gain, or simply the difference gain, and ACM is my common mode gain, means the signal which is common to both the terminals. So that signal is also amplified in the practical circuits. Now, we don't want a operational amplifier which has a very high common mode gain. It means this common mode gain must be defined in the data sheets. So you will find in the data sheets a CMRR value, that is nothing but the common mode rejection ratio value that is defined. So lower its value, it means lower its capability to reject the common mode signals. So I will derive that how we will make use of it. Why I'm using the word common mode rejection ratio? Because in the data sheets, I will write here, in the data sheets we are given only the value of CMRR. What is this CMRR? I will tell you. Although what we want, I want the value of this ACM, because this is important. AID is normal gain, which is nothing but the difference of the two input voltage will be amplified with that value. But this common mode gain I want in the ideal circuit to be equal to 0, but in the practical it is not 0. So it means I want in the data sheets this ACM, but in data sheets we don't provide it. We are not provided this ACM, we are provided this CMRR. So we will find that how this CMRR is related to your AC. This is what I want to find here. So if I write here now my output voltage, which is equal to AID into VID plus ACM into VCM. This, I think it is clear. AID is the gain of differential or the difference inputs. ACM is the gain of the common mode signals. VID is the difference of the voltages. VCM is the common mode voltages that is common to both the terminals. So now, as per our definition, if I write here the definition of my CMRR, I will say it is defined as, a ratio of differential voltage gain, or simply VID, differential voltage gain, in the bracket I will write here VID, to common mode voltage gain. Voltage gain, in the bracket I will write here ACM. Sorry, differential mode voltage gain, it is gain. So I will write here AID. It is AID and this is AC. Right? And it is expressed in decibels. It is expressed in decibels. Why we write in decibels? Because the value or the ratio is very large. So we convert that into decibels. So you know how to convert that by simply multiplying it, by taking the log and multiplying it with the 20. So I can write here as CMRR is nothing but equal to 20 log of, take here log to the base 10, log of ratio of differential mode gain to the common mode gain, and it is indeed. So this is my CMRR. Now if I make use of my V0, I will take here my V0. And if I say this V0 can be written as AID into VID. What is VID? It is nothing the difference of the two input voltages V1 minus V2 plus ACM into VCM. So I can write it as equal to AID, I will take common. AID I will take common. Outside the bracket, inside the bracket I will left with V1 minus V2 plus ACM upon, okay, in place of AID I will write a differential mode is nothing but AID. इसको मैंने AID से represent किया है. So I will write here AID. I have written here DM, but it is AID as per my notations जो मैंने use की है. So over here I will get ACM by AID into VCM. Now what is AID by ACM? It is the ratio of differential in voltage gain to the common voltage gain. It is nothing but CMRR. अगर dB में नहीं represent कर रहा हूँ, simple में CMRR, without dB I am representing. So it is nothing but equal to AID by ACM. So in place of this AID by ACM or ACM by AD, I will substitute the value of CMRR. So it is AID as it is outside the bracket. In the bracket I have left with V1 minus V2 plus VCM divided by CMRR. Right? So if I see here, this is my output voltage. So it means for my output voltage to be almost equal to AID into V1 minus V2, or simply the differential gain into the difference of the two input voltage, I want this value to be very small. If I want this value to be very small, can I say I can't change the value of VCM, because VCM is the voltage that I am applying. But for an op-amp, only what I can do, I can make this value of CMRR to be very large. It means in the data sheet, if it is given to me the value of CMRR, if more than one op-amp data sheet I will see, then I can compare with their CMRR values that which op-amp will be better, or which will give me the output voltage almost equal to the product of the differential gain into the differential voltages. Is it clear to you that why we are specifying only the CMRR, not the ACM values? Because from the CMRR also we are going to get the same thing. So we may get some numericals on it that find the value of the common mode rejection ratio in dB. If they ask, then our formula will be this one. Or if they ask only the value without dB, then this will be my value. Right? Now, if I just take an example for your reference, that in the case of IC741, which is a very common operation amplifier, the value of CMRR, it is almost equal to, if I tell you the value, it is about 51430. I don't know the exact value. It is something like it or approximate to it. So if I convert this value to the dB, because I said that we take these values in dB, so when I convert into dB, it is around 90 dB. It comes out to be around 90 dB. So it is easy for me to write 90 in place of this large value. That's why we convert or we take the CMRR values in the dB format. Is it clear? राइट और अगर ये जस्ट एक वैल्यू ले रहा हूँ मैं, इसकी जगह पे आप 3.1 अगर मैं इसको कन्वर्ट करूँ तो 31622 के आसपास आता है. So this is the exact value, right? Instead of 5. So my target over here is to tell that we are going to have here 5 digits. So instead of 5 digits, I have to just write 90. So that is more comfortable for me. That's why we use CMRR in dB format. Now next is one more thing is there, that we can also write this CMRR in terms of my VOCM. What is VOCM? VOCM is nothing but the output voltage of common mode signals. Means what is the output voltage that is going to affect my system. So if I just write here that CMRR can also be represented in the form of input offset voltage, जो आपकी पढ़ी हुई आपने VIO, divided by VCM. So this is another definition. You can write here that it is also expressed as the ratio of change in input offset voltage, change in input offset voltage to the total change in common mode voltage. So this is another formula for common mode rejection ratio, that is input offset voltage divided by the common mode voltage. Now if I take the my previous formula, that is CMRR is equal to AID upon ACM. So that is also another formula. So in place of this ACM, I can write here, or if I make use of this over here, I can write here ACM is nothing but equal to the output voltage, V output voltage due to the common mode signals divided by the input voltage of common mode, that is VOCM by VCM. So from here I can say that my VCM is equal to VOCM divided by ACM. Why I am using it? Because I will substitute this value of VCM in this first value of CMRR. So I will write here CMRR, which is equal to AID upon ACM. ACM can be now represented as VOCM by VCM, and it can be further represented as AID into VCM upon VOCM. Now you can substitute the value of VCM and the VOCM की भी आप put कर सकते हैं, or if you take this to the left hand side, you can also get the same result. I can also write it as the output voltage due to the common mode will be equal to the gain of the differential voltages, or simply AID, into VCM by CMRR. So this formula also tells us that the higher the value of the CMRR, higher the value of this, as it is the denominator, definitely your VOCM or the output due to the common mode will be small. So you can also represent the second formula, that is this one VIO by VCM in the dB. So I will get the value of CMRR in dB as 20 log of VIO by VCM, right? Or in the other way, you can say it is also equal to 20 log of AID upon EC. So these are the two important formulas that you need to remember for the common mode rejection ratio. So I guess it is clear to you what is common mode rejection ratio. I just said it is simply in the definition terms. If I say that it is the ratio of AID by ACM, but what it actually is, it just tells us that how a operational amplifier is capable of rejecting your common signals. In the ideal scenario, this common mode voltage gain is 0, so your CMRR will be definitely equal to infinity. As this gain is 0, so it will come out to be, the ratio will come out to be infinity, and it's where you can say its value is very large in good operation amplifiers. But if I see here, what actually is, the output is nothing but the sum of the two values. One is the gain multiplied with the voltage, or the differential gain multiplied with the differential voltage. But in addition to that, we are also amplifying our common signals with some gain. So I want this gain ACM to be very small. So why this to be very small? Because if it is small, then definitely this product will be small and your output voltage will become almost equal to your gain into the differential voltage, or only your differential inputs will be amplified. We can't change VCM because these are different for the different scenarios. Maybe noise may be there. For example, noise is coming to both input terminals. So this is one thing that I can say here, that we are adding. We can't change it. But if I do something that is gain for the common mode signal is reduced to 0, then definitely I will reach to close to infinity. So this is another definition of your common mode rejection ratio, that is the change in the input offset voltage to the change in, or the total change in the common mode voltage. With this formula also, we can see here that our output VOCM, which is nothing but equal to AID by VCM by CMRR. So this CMRR is coming in denominator. It means if I want this VOCM to be reduced to 0, this to be 0 or to be very small, then I want my common mode rejection ratio to be infinity or very large, right? So this is all about the common mode rejection ratio.